Hi, welcome to Adobe After Effects CC course. In this course, you'll learn how to make motion graphics and your own amazing videos with After Effects. My name is Muhammad Fazil and I'm a professional motion designer from Motion Guru team. I have 10 years of experience in working with After Effects and I've made more than 5,000 motion graphic projects which have been shown on TV and internet. But I know that working with After Effects and making professional motion graphics seems how much hard and fearful for the first time. That's exactly why I've made this course for people like you who are just starting out. This course is really useful for those who want to start learning compositing, visual effects, and motion graphics. This course won't just teach you the tools needed to create professional motion graphics, but also you'll learn the shortcuts and some proficiency technique to make motion graphics.